Well, there's so many initiatives now with and some legislation coming through and everything for health and well-being. Obviously, if people are out and about, it helps isolation. You know, we're not just about. It's lovely this morning. Now we'll see people of all ages, all abilities. Some come and they'll participate. Some will run. Some will walk. Brilliant. But others just come to volunteer. Those people may not see people all week, but to come out on a Saturday morning, you know, we're a better prescription than going to doctors.
We like to think of ourselves as a bit of a family, really, not just the marshals. Our marshals, I think, have a very good reputation. When I was starting, I was trying to get them to really marshal people, you know, and really keep them in line and everything like that. But I think we've developed an approach whereby they're really friendly and people like coming here and they like the encouragement that we give and things. I think in terms of our community, I think community cohesion sometimes isn't what it was. Everybody would know each other years ago and be in and out of each other's houses, sort of thing. And I think that has been lost in some way. But I think that we are trying with initiatives like Parkrun and other projects to transform things. And I think we are getting there. And I'm really pleased with the way things are going so far. You know,
it's everyone kind of coming together, ages, abilities, from all walks of life. It's all about equality. There's diversification here. We've got Friends of Aberdare Park coming together, the Dragons, the Athletics Club, lots of different running clubs, and it's fantastic to see people coming from far afield and just coming together and all sharing in their enjoyment of running, and then meeting afterwards for a coffee and just chatting about things. I think it's fantastic.
I've made friends with people that I didn't know personally, and I would normally spend my time on a Saturday morning in the house probably watching a bit of television, but my children often come and volunteer. We have really young people come in, you know, from the age of 4 up to people in their 80s have got involved in it, so it actually brings the entire community together.
Well, this is my 226th park run. We started 23 and 23 last December. I was diagnosed with cancer the previous June and had superb treatment from Macmillan and Velindre. And so we decided we wanted to do something back and had the mad idea of doing all 23 Welsh park runs in 23 weeks. And finished up with a memorable day at Tredegar House in Newport, doing the one there, which is our home run, with over 188 supporters in the green t-shirts, so it was amazing, yeah. And it was just showed what a great vehicle Parkrun was for doing something like that, and the friends we've made for Parkrun, the support we've had from Parkrun, and the fact it's kept us fit and given me something to aim for, having had that diagnosis. So yeah, it's been brilliant.
GPs are now prescribing Parkrun for various ailments, whether it be physical or mental. And as I say, there is a local practice just on the road which is going to be a Parkrun practice, and they are going to cascade this details of it to other GP surgeries in the locality. What we are meant to be for everybody. We've got elite athletes, we've got good runners, but I think that more than anything, we really would like to have people whose health isn't very good, people with diabetes, people clinically obese, people who really are out of puff and really need to transform their lives, both physically and mentally. This is the thing for them.